What is a pig pen casserole and what is so good about it? Let's go! To answer that question, it has nothing to do with it containing pork. If you imagine a pig pen on a farm with pigs in it, you would tend to throw anything into the pen, hence our dish. This casserole dish takes just 5 ingredients. You have 1 blend of seasoning, either broccoli or cauliflower, some onion, and a meat of your choice, and then cheese. And provided that you have your vegetables ready to go and your meat prepared, this only takes 5 minutes to put together. The nutritional information and your shopping list is listed in the description box. Let's get into this quick and easy recipe now.
Alrighty then, we are going to start off with 3 cups of broccoli florets and just spread those evenly out across the bottom of the dish. Then we're going to add in half of a roughly sliced onion, spread that around. And then we're going to add 500 grams of meat, and this is any meat of your choosing. We are adding Italian sausage, but you can use anything you like. Remember, a pig pen is anything goes. Then we're adding 2 tablespoons of seasoning. Now we went with Moroccan steak seasoning and dried oregano, a tablespoon of each. Then we added thick cut cheddar cheese to the top. We didn't have an exact measurement for the amount here, but just enough to cover the top of the dish, and you can use any cheese that you like. Then cover it with tin foil. Make sure that there's a tent kind of effect so that there is a gap between the cheese and the tin foil, or the cheese will stick to the tin foil. And then pop that into a 320 degree Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius oven for 1 hour. When the hour is up, take it back out of the oven, remove the foil and put it back into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. All we're trying to do here is just brown the cheese, so keep an eye on it and take it out of the oven when the cheese is brown enough for you. And that's it. Come closer guys, let's have a look.
This recipe is fabulous for somebody who is time poor, or if you just don't feel like cooking, you can literally throw 5 ingredients together and bake. I do hope you get to try it and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.
Hey guys, if you like this video and you want to see another one just like it, click on that box up there. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that box there. What are you waiting for?
Meow.